Good evening, students. Welcome back in our art session. In previous session, we had completed our topic nameplate. Now today we are going to start second topic, that is group of object drawing. Before starting our topic, here in index page, on index page you will write your name. First topic we had completed, that you will write. Second topic, date, and today's topic, name you have to write. Okay. Now here we are on our main page. Main page means right side of the book. Okay. Always will use right side for our main topic. Left side will use for rough work. Today we are going to start object drawing. Group of object drawing. Okay. So here we'll write topic name. Now student, before starting our topic, always will draw margin. Okay. So if you know, then okay. If you don't know, then I'll teach you how to draw margin without scale. Here, take your pencil, hold it in 4 fingers. From here, so this way all 4 sides we are getting equal space. Okay. Now we'll start object. Object means what? Things, right? Man-made or natural, like a bucket, mug, jar, glass, or in natural shapes, fruits, vegetables, flowers, anything. Okay. So here we'll draw group of object drawing. Here I am drawing directly. If you are getting confusion how to draw, it's not getting properly, so left side of the book you can do the practice and then start your main topic. Okay. We'll see here, from the margin you will leave some space. Okay. 3 finger space, and then you will start your main drawing. Now here we will draw one bucket, for bucket I have taken here one rectangle. Compared to bucket, mug getting small, so here for mug, and here I'll draw one box. So roughly, very lightly we'll mark their shapes. So afterwards we'll draw here main drawing. So when you will start your drawing, always draw complete picture. So for bucket, we'll take one line, horizontal line. Okay. Oval shape. Have you seen bucket? Upside we are getting circle, down circle, and then last strip. So, but we are not seeing from top. If we see from front side, one side, so here upside you will get the oval shape. Then first strip, then second part, we'll see here both the side, leaving some space. Okay, then draw it direct till last. And always use light lines, so now here we'll draw one horizontal line, then again one oval shape, so this is the first strip, middle part, and now here we'll show last strip. Again leave some space here first, then here second time, and this oval shape. Okay, we'll draw here again one more curve line. So here, so if we'll draw till here, so this is your dustbin. If we'll draw handle, so you will get the bucket. If we'll see, students, can you see here bucket shape? Okay, this is very big. So this way big bucket shape you have to draw. Okay, you can mark this way also. If you want to draw box, so keep your 4 fingers, mark here, and then start drawing, then also okay. Now bucket drawing is, bucket or dustbin drawing is ready. Okay, we'll not rub anything now. First we'll complete all pictures, all, okay, and then we'll rub extra line. Okay, so here we'll draw mug. For mug also will you follow same steps. Here we'll draw oval shape. If you see here, I am drawing oval shape. I am not showing here point. Means if you are drawing this way, so this is wrong. Here show curve. Okay. Then like a bucket, first strip. Then if you have seen mug, here we are getting one handle. Okay, so that handle will draw. For that we'll draw this way 3 lines, and here front part. Okay, now here again like a bucket only. Again one horizontal line, now this part will complete. See, this is very simple. First draw cross line and then draw straight. Okay, so Okay, now our mug also ready. Now we'll draw box. Okay, for box, here one small line, one big line, here again one small line. Okay, now here we'll join them here also. Now this line and this line should be parallel, so here from this point we'll draw one line. See, I drawn their bucket, mug. Now I'm drawing box also. Okay, but here I not used there any geometrical instrument like a scale or compass. You should draw without scale. Somewhere you will get the difficulty, but if you practice, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so this line we are getting parallel. Now this line we'll draw, same line we'll draw here. Okay, so one box is ready. Now we'll make the like a shoe box. So here okay, so now our basic drawing is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll rub all extra lines. Okay, so here see, box is front side and bucket is second option, it is back side. So that's why whatever we are getting on box, that drawing will rub. Don't think students we have to rub afterwards, so why we will complete it. But if we'll complete, so you'll get the perfect drawing only. So draw complete picture and afterwards rub all extra part. Now here also mug is first object and second object is bucket or dustbin. So again here whatever we are getting on mug, that will rub. Now here we'll see, I have drawn there very light picture. You can see this. You should draw light. Don't give outline with any marker. Don't make it dark with pencil also. Draw very light picture, so you will get easy to rub extra part. See students, here if you see, here what we did is shown there. Okay, see student, here see it's getting big. Okay, then compare to bucket, box and mug. Okay, show in that particular size, means don't make it very big. Bucket is main object, so that's why we should show big, and we shown here overlapping, so that's why here some part of the bucket object we can't see, and you should draw this way only. Don't make them separate, make their group of objects. Okay, now see, if you have your elementary intermediate book textbook. Okay, in that book you can you will get some like this, some object drawing. So you just refer that. There you will get more idea for the drawing, for color work. Here till this you have to stop. Okay, and then in the next session I'll show you how to complete shading. Here first we'll learn shading, then next afterwards we'll see their color part. So don't do anything here, complete your drawing and wait. After next session we'll see there how to complete it. Okay student, so thank you, take care.